Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing. This is very late already. I received my Boxycharm very late because of the pandemic. So they sent me an email that I'll be receiving my Boxycharm late. Finally, I got my Boxycharm yesterday. So I'm so happy. I cannot wait. I'm really excited to unbox it and what beauty brand or skincare I'm gonna get for this month. So I'm really excited. Every time I do my monthly subscription beauty box, I am so excited. You know me guys, I'm really excited when it comes to my monthly subscription beauty box. So excited. We have really good beauty brand and skincare as well, that most of them like really expensive, and you're only paying for this box I think $25 every month. If you want to try it, go ahead. You can cancel it whatever you want if you don't like it at all. So just give a try. And yeah, one of my favorite is their beauty brand and skincare are awesome, and I don't have to buy it anymore because I already have it for my monthly subscription beauty box. One of my favorite is the skincare. I do love their skincare. They're really good skincare. By the way everyone, this is what's look like the box. Boxycharm, and they have little cute heart on the bottom. So join me to unbox my Boxycharm for this month. And yeah, okay everyone, this is what's look like the box again. Boxycharm, really cute packaging with the heart. I like those little heart on the bottom. And unbox it. This is what's look like the box inside. And they got this cute paperwork, Boxycharm, and on the bottom sunshine. And also on the back they put all the product and the price as well. Okay, first is this Clean Skin Club, and this is Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightener Booster, watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Ooh, I'm excited. Really excited. And it says apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. So I'm really excited. Very nice packaging as well guys. Super nice packaging. Clean Skin Club, the name of the beauty brand. So this is what's look like the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. And it's a like a dropper, and very nice packaging. It's glass. So that's the first one. And the second one is this, the Cream Shop Toasty Cushion Bronzer. Ooh, never heard about this. Toasty Cushion Bronzer. Never heard about cushion bronzer. This is what's look like the packaging on the back, and then the side there. And yeah, super nice packaging as well of the bronzer. Oh wow, the packaging is so nice. See that guys, super nice packaging. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. And when you open it, this is what's look like with the mirror and this little sponge. I'm really excited about this one. And this is what's look like the bronzer. Let's open it guys. Ooh, yep, it's a cushion bronzer. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to like give a try for this cushion bronzer. Never heard cushion bronzer, but this is what's look like the packaging. Put the sponge there, and yeah, super nice packaging of the bronzer. Next is this Brow Micro Scalping Pencil. And what shade? Blonde. The shade is blonde. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but this is what's look like. I'm not blonde, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows. We'll see. Very cute packaging, guys. Really cute packaging, guys. Super cute packaging. Oh my god, it's super cute. Let's open it. Okay, yeah, it's blonde. This is what's look like the color, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, super nice packaging. I like that. But yeah, it's blonde. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. Next is this magnetic matte lip color. Never heard magnetic matte lip cloner, but in the shade Vino. This is what's look like, guys. Magnetic matte lip liner. Magnetic. It's new for me. I never heard magnetic matte lip liner. So this is what's look like. Oh, it's like a crayon. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? It looks like a crayon. Super nice. Oh, I like the color. Beautiful color. This is what look like the color, guys. Super beautiful. I like that color. I'm excited to use this one. And last one is this pure eyeshadow palette. Ooh, the packaging is so nice. I love this beauty brand. Super nice beauty brand. And this is what's look like the eyeshadow. Maybe. Super nice packaging, guys. Glittery. Super nice packaging. This is what's look like the shades of all the eyeshadow that we got for this month. Super cute packaging. Really nice packaging. I love the packaging of the eyeshadow. Super cute. So alright, that's it for our unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box, Boxycharm. Okay, I cannot wait to try this Clean Skin Club. This is what's look like, guys. I cannot wait to try it on. I cannot wait to try it and add it to my skincare. Super excited about this one, and also really nice packaging too. I love the packaging. It's super cute packaging. It's glass. Really nice packaging, guys. Super nice packaging. And also this is new for me, magnetic matte lip color. I'm really excited about this one. Super cute packaging, guys. Really cute packaging. It says magnetic matte lip liner. So I'm really excited about this magnetic matte lip liner. I cannot wait to try it on to my lips. And also the eyeshadow is beautiful packaging. Really nice packaging of eyeshadow. So this is the color of the eyeshadow, guys. Super nice color of the eyeshadow. And also this cushion bronzer. It's new for me. I never heard cushion bronzer yet. So really nice packaging too. I love how they do the packaging. It's look like fancy packaging. Super cute packaging. I like how they do the packaging of this cushion bronzer. The only thing that I do not like is this pencil eyeliner, because it's in the shade blonde. I don't know if I'm gonna use this because it's blonde, in the shade blonde. So, but it's super cute packaging. Really nice packaging. Everyone, super cute packaging. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna give it to someone. I don't know if I try it, it's gonna look good onto my eyebrows because the shade is blonde. So I don't think so. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing video, everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much, everyone, again for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.